To stay ahead of your competition, you've probably thought of offering branch exclusives. So you might be asking, can I do it online? With Rush eStore Suite, you can. I'm Sophia and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. If you remember, we ended the previous video by asking if all your uploaded products will appear on your eStore. The answer? Not automatically, because you need to tag your products per branch. This allows you to customize your catalog, introduce branch exclusives, and monitor stocks per branch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. On the Locations tab of the eStore module, you can see all your onboarded brands and branches. Now from this tab, you can perform different actions for each of your brands. First, we'll tag your products per brand and branch. Click on Tag Products to display your list of products. From your list, select the products that you will tag under your brand. Click the arrow button to move these items under Tagged Products. Once done, click Save Changes. Now, all the tagged items are visible on your web store, merchant app, and customer app. What if you have branch specials or exclusive offers? Using the CMS or the merchant app, you can update your inventory per branch by selecting the branch you want to update and clicking the eye icon. From the branch page, look for the item you want to edit or unpublish. Once you find your product, click the pencil icon to edit. Your employees can help you tag your inventories for each branch using the merchant app in-store. To make changes, select eStore Products, and from there, they can update the number of remaining stocks or hide unavailable items. There are additional features exclusive to the CMS, including the Item on Sale button and Price Edit. Just remember that these changes are branch-specific. Once all your changes are complete, click Save Product. Now, all the changes you made are visible on your digital stores. To show the difference per branch, here are side-by-side comparisons of how these changes look on your web store, merchant app, and customer app. You're almost ready to start running your store online. Watch out, because in the next videos, we'll talk about modes of payment and custom fees. This has been Sophia, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.